Hey everybody, my name is Jackson, and this is another video, obviously. Why do I see these things? Obviously, it's another video. So, I need to do something real quick, which is just switch this. I'm going to adjust my screen placement so that I can see my little preview window. Okay, it looks all good right there. Perfect. Okay, so say it looks fine in my preview window, but when I go to launch the video and everything, it's not gonna run like this. I know for a fact. Okay, so this will be a different type of video, similar to Would You Rather. It will be, will you press the button? And let's get started. You will acquire all of the powers/abilities of the superhero you choose, but everyone you love and care for in severe danger and risk of death. So I become a superhero, but I have to save my family. Sure. Why not? I will. Because then I can just save them with my awesome powers. It's as simple as that. What did other people say about this? Everyone is at risk of death all the time anyways. Take that. That's life, bitches. Oh, that's true. The ability to make everyone you know immortal. But that would be stupid. That was a good one, I guess. Okay. Will you press the button if you become the sidekick of your favorite superhero, but you know and can't change the outcome of your issue's death? Good one. This is a really good one. Let's see here. This is a really good one. Oh man. I don't know. It's like say I want to become Robin, and then I'll be like, I know how Batman will die, and there's nothing I can do about it. Oh, no, I don't, I just don't. Okay. Okay, these things right here, these things, fucking, this, fucking bullshit. What? Why? This is stupid. This is just plain stupid. I hate it. Oh, countdown, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now close your eyes and make a wish. Now paste this to 15 comments and your wish will come true. I hate chainmail. It's all stupid. I liked this one. It was a good one. Hashtag chainmail equals pain fail. I did it. Okay, you are immortal, but you can only live underground like the old cavemen. No tech to use. First of all, I wouldn't want to be immortal anyway. knowing that I would, no matter what I did, I would always live longer than everybody in my life, and I'd have to live through their deaths, which would suck. And then one day I'd be a decrepit old man, probably going senile and everything. So immortality to begin with is no. And technology is my everything. It's like how I communicate with all my friends. It's how I get my entertainment. And I have a YouTube channel now, so it's how I entertain. So I will not. Oops, I will not. I didn't say yes. What? I didn't press the button. I clearly pressed the I will not. Whatever, man. What sort of life would that be? No light, no computer, no Wi-Fi, just dark underground life forever. You can't even kill yourself. That's true. I don't think that was a very good one, honestly. Okay, so, you can control time, i.e. time travel, stop time, etc. So I can, like, rewind and fast forward life and everything. And you're immortal. Everyone you ever meet will die, but you won't. Eventually, you'll be the last human alive. Let's see here. Well, I could just rewind time. Easy. I can just rewind time back to when I was like 5, and like, if I get bored, just fast forward my life to more exciting parts. I can be like Flowey. I can live out every single scenario, say every different thing to people, and once I know their reactions, I can just fuck with them. It'd be fun. Good or bad? Good. I don't want to rate everybody's bad. Okay, will you press the button.com? Okay, you meet the person of your dreams, but you lose the ability to speak. I'd say no. Unless somebody in the comments of this has a loophole, in which I would be very interested to know. So basically, Little Mermaid all over again. The person in my dreams is able to give me telepathy. Little Mermaid much. Good thing I know sign language. Sign language! Dang it. Oh well. Okay, this video is nearing its end. So, after a couple more, I'm gonna end it. You get 10 grams of weed every day, free of charge. I don't smoke weed, but you have to smoke it the day you get it, probably turning you into a failure. Once again, don't smoke weed. Don't plan on it. Yeah. Anybody know any good editing software for Google Chrome? I need some, because I want to be able to edit my videos instead of having them straight uncut. Like, right there, I could have put Snoop Dogg, smoke weed every day, but you can eat your favorite food for the rest of your life without gaining weight, but you have horrible, painful diarrhea 3 times a day. One for each meal. Okay, without gaining weight. But if that's all you eat, and you don't, follow me on this. If that's all you eat, and you don't gain weight from it, you don't get any calories from it or anything, you'll eventually turn into just a skeleton, because you're burning weight doing daily things like working out. Yeah. I will not. Okay, guys. That should wrap up this video for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give your feedback in the comments section. I'm still pretty new to YouTube, so Any criticism is highly welcomed, good or bad.